Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your iPhone is unlocked and running a recent iOS. This ensures privacy controls behave predictably. Open Photos and navigate to the image you want to strip location from, then tap the Info button to reveal map details. You're checking where data is stored. Once done, choose Edit Location or Options. This is the first actionable step because removing location here prevents it from traveling with the file when you share it. Now you remove the location. In the Photos Info panel, tap Adjust or Remove Location. You'll see choices like No Location or Search to replace it. Choose No Location to strip coordinates completely. This prevents precise GPS data from being attached. If you're handling several photos, select them in Moments or Albums and tap the ellipsis to adjust location in bulk, which saves time. Make sure to confirm changes, so Photos writes the new metadata state to the image file. Finish by sharing safely. When you tap Share, open Options at the top and toggle off Location so the outgoing file omits geotags. This duplicates the removal for any exported copy. After sharing, reopen the Photos Info to verify no location appears. That confirms success. If coordinates persist, export a new copy via Save as File or use a metadata app to strip EXIF manually. Troubleshooting like that resolves stubborn embeds and ensures your location no longer travels.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.